Hello my friends on YouTube. Today I'm going to be picking for you a cylinder out of a supposedly called or supposed brand is Schlage, if you can see that on the box here. Got this lock from the Goodwill, which makes me think it ain't a Schlage for real. As you can see, Goodwill. Here's this baby is what it came out of, this regular house lock here. Try to get you a good view of it. They say it's a Schlage. Box says it's Schlage. Do I believe it's Schlage? No, because I'm going to be single pin picking it for you here. And as you can see, I will be doing it very quickly. And here we go. I'm going to have to reset here for a better angle. And try that again for you. There you go. I'll try to do that again here because for some reason that took a long time. Oh wait, I know why, because I'm doing it on camera. Always does. Everybody knows that. Here we go. We'll do that again for you here. First off, so it's all locked up. Now it's just pissing me off.